Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Amplitude, analyze product analytics step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Amplitude. Press enter to navigate to the Amplitude homepage. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type your registered email address into the provided field. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button. Wait for the system to authenticate your information. After successful login, you will be directed to your Amplitude dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen. To analyze product analytics, select the relevant project from the drop-down menu. Explore the various features available, including charts, cohorts, and funnels. Use the tools provided to gain insights from your product data. If needed, refer to the Help Center for additional resources and tutorials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.